Welcome to the best product review channel. Top 5 instant pots are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best instant pots from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these are good to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Best-selling Instant Pot. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Duo is the best-selling model from Instant Pot. It combines 7 appliance functions into one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saute pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. The one-touch settings make cooking easy with no guesswork involved on your part. The multi-cooker also has safety features including a safety lock and overheat protection to ensure you're protected while using the Instant Pot. It's available in both 6-quart and 8-quart capacity options. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking, and perfect for sautéing. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Number 2. Space-saving Instant Pot. Instant Pot Duo Mini 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're short on storage and countertop space or are cooking for just 1 or 2 people, the Duo Mini has all the functionality of the bestseller but in a more compact form. It's the smallest and most affordable model but still offers a 3-quart capacity and 14 cooking presets. With the ability to serve as 7 appliances in one, it can also help you save precious cabinet space. Cook faster. Slow pressure cooks delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Number 3. Best for beginners. Instant Pot Duo Nova Pressure Cooker 7-in-1. This Instant Pot model is great for beginners who are new to pressure cooking because the smart seal lid automatically seals and the steam is released with the push of a button. Safety features will help ensure worry-free cooking and minimal effort on your part to get dinner on the table. The 6-quart capacity is the most popular option with the ability to cook for up to 6 people. Healthy and consistently delicious. Duo Nova is powered by a sophisticated microprocessor that monitors and adjusts pressure, temperature, time, and heat to cook food up to 70% faster than other methods and deliver consistent, delicious results every time. Automatic keep warm for up to 10 hours. A name you can trust. The Instant Pot Duo Nova family shares the most trusted name in cookers, bringing all the quality and convenience you've come to expect from Instant Pot. Number 4. Splurge-Worthy Instant Pot. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Duo Plus offers several upgrades from the base model, including 2 additional cooking types, an easy seal lid, and a cooking process indicator, so you know when the cooking process is happening. It also has 15 one-touch cooking options. It's available in 6 and 8-quart options, as well as a miniature 3-quart model. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom offers more even cooking and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. Fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Number 5. Instant Pot with Air Fryer. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Pressure Cooker 11-in-1 with air fryer. With just a switch of the lid, you can turn your Instant Pot into an air fryer. So in addition to the 9 appliance functions the Duo Plus has, you can also add air fryer to the list. Air fryers are an easy way to create crisp foods without the hassle of using oil. The air frying lid features a digital screen with buttons to easily adjust the temperature and cooking time. The Instant Pot with air fryer lid is available in a 6-quart capacity. Instant Pot Duo Plus is the updated Duo. Duo Plus upgrades include the e-seal lid to automatically seal when pressure cooking and a cooking progress indicator, so you know when cooking begins. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.